Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I am Hana. I am studying grade 5 in Mount Hira Academy. I have chosen the research topic which is tailor-made soil and manure for growth of plants. The purpose of my project is in which type of soil and manure increase plant growth. This research observes the growth of plants by using three types of soils and different manures. They are black soil, red soil, and sandy soil. The fertilizers used are cow dung, homemade compost, and vermicompost. Soils are composed of organic matter, stuff that used to be alive like plants and animals, and small inorganic matter. Properties of soil include texture, moisture, color, spoil it. Soil contains air, absorption of water, and percolation rate. Soil fertility refers to the ability of soil to sustain agricultural plant growth. To start my research, I had questioned in my mind which manure and soil increase plant growth: cow dung, vegetable wastes, vermicompost, or waste tea bags. Red soil. The iron oxide present in the soil gives its red color. It is not very fertile, but it has a better drainage capacity. Iron is the main nutrient found in this soil, but it is lacking in magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium. To make the soil more fertile, cow dung can be added. Black soil. Commonly, this soil contains nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. These are the primary nutrients found in the soil and essential for plants' growth. It may contain animal manure and plant decomposition. Vermicompost would be added as a fertilizer to boost the soil. Sandy soil. Sand is always mixed with the potting soil for gardening. Science. Sand has large particles. They dry out quickly and are low in nutrients. Water and fertilizers will easily lash it out, but it provides good oxygen supply to the roots of the plants. Homemade compost would help the soil to get effective. For this method and materials research, I had taken 12 pots in this same size and three types of soil, three chili seedlings, jasmine plants, pomegranate, Acalypha indica in the same size. According to my analysis, I found that black soil give best growth for chili plant. But now chili had given enormous yield in red soil that others, like that cuttings of pomegranate and jasmine, did not give proper yield in this soil. After that, I had prepared pomegranate, Acalypha indica, and jasmine with roots. This time it had grown. Due to more fertility and moisture, chili had given miraculous growth in black soil. Due to high level of nutrients, pomegranate and Acalypha indica had given fastest growth in red soil. Due to fastest water drainage, jasmine plant had growth faster and given good yield in sandy soil. So that I prefer this as my result to youngest and future farmer to use black soil and red soil. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.